Says.
OMG, what does she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
All wrong.
Let me get this girl a picture.
Got it.
I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
Boy, bye, not with them shoes on.
Cause you Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her
Oh,
face.
wow.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. But girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And it came with a sister.
You lying.
Yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the club. No shoe, whistle.
Dirty feet.
I had to get cute.
What?
I'm about to drink spray boost today. Let me daddy just moved out here. He'll shoot today. Just get paid.
In 2 days.
Did you go?
Girl, did you get the glue today?
Don't
beef it up.
Boo. It's the 15. I got my food stamps.
Girl.
Got a brand new piercing.
Where?
Brand new tax.
You
Paid
Ratchet.
$95 for this weed plus tax. Bow. Watch you bend it over. Watch that.
What?
But
Girl,
it's
you
just
thinking wrong.
Oh. Hey, girl.
Turn
Girl,
around.
let me see
Who
who
did
your
your
suit
suing? Oh.
Okay, girl.
We'll talk to you later. Girl.
OMG, what does she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all
All
wrong.
wrong. Oh
Let me
my
get this
God.
girl a picture.
Girl, get it.
I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Pound
Cause
it.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You too grown.
Boy, bye, not with them shoes on.
Cause he Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Girl, why?
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. My name is Reginae Carter, but my boyfriend's call me Con.
They can't have that boo-boo, sorry. And who your future baby
And
daddy?
2 Chainz is my future baby daddy.
Mari.